beginning by the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kind. This is a smart tool from British Institute. This channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
AtAlooseEnd.
If you are at a loose end, you have spare time but don't know what to do with it.
She was at a loose end, so she decided to watch my video on YouTube. Give me a call if you're at a loose end and we'll go and do something.
If you are at a loose end, then kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. We are sure that you will improve vocabulary and grammar visually. It is all for you. https://www.youtube.com/c/British Institute 77. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.